As the rumored launch date of the Galaxy S24 approaches, more information about the phones is coming out. There was a recent rumor that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might keep the same 10x periscope camera as its previous model, but another reliable source has cast doubt on this claim. Now, new evidence seems to indicate that the phone will actually not have the 10x zoom camera. The Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts an impressive camera setup featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a standout 10-megapixel 10x periscope unit. With this remarkable 10x module, this phone stands out as one of the top camera phones of 2023, offering an exceptional zooming range that surpasses many other handsets. In September, there were reports suggesting that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would no longer include the 10-megapixel 10x camera. Following those initial rumors, subsequent speculations indicated that it might be replaced by a 50-megapixel camera featuring 5x optical zoom. In December, there was a rumor suggesting that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would stick with the 10x camera. Adding to the confusion, some leaked marketing material and appeared official mentioned a quad telephoto camera with 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x zoom. However, the exact specifications of each telephoto camera were not specified, further contributing to the uncertainty. To clear up the confusion, a leaker named Chun8888 has shared an image of the camera array on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If the leaked image is accurate, it clearly indicates that the Galaxy S24 Ultra does not feature a 10-megapixel 10x periscope camera. Although the removal of the 10x camera may disappoint some, it could turn out to be a smart choice. The 50-megapixel camera, with its higher resolution, has the potential to capture more details in photos. Given the term quad telephoto camera, it strongly suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will likely utilize sensor crop and digital zoom to achieve a zooming range of 10x. The rumored specifications for the phone include a 6.8-inch screen, a titanium design, a 5,000 mAh battery, and the use of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.